Welcome to Safety and Compliance Chats, the dental podcast that makes dental practice compliance less boring and more badass. I'm Amy Wood. I'm here with Deanna Otts-Whitfield, and from HIPAA to hand washing, we've got you covered. Ready? Let's roll. Welcome to Safety and Compliance Chats. I'm Amy Wood, your HIPAA and cybersecurity lifeline.
And I'm Deanna Otts-Whitfield, here to school you on OSHA and infection control. Today, we're going to dive into HIPAA basics and infection control essentials because if you botch either, your practice won't just lose money, it's going to lose trust and reputation.
Definitely. Now, HIPAA is the backbone of patient privacy. It's the law that says keep your patient info under lock and key. And I've seen practices that treat their charts like it's open season. They're left at the front desk, they're left in storage units, they're left in back offices, basements, barns, I've seen all over the place. Don't be that practice.
Speaking of open, in infection control, leaving instruments unsterilized is an open invitation for germs to crash the party. And let me tell you, I have seen plenty of parties being crashed in these offices. I will walk into offices and find open instruments in drawers and on countertops on trays that are ready to be sat in front of patients for work. And we know that once those packages are open, those instruments are no longer sterile.
Gross. Well, patient info isn't just on paper. Emails, texts, even hallway conversations, all can be breaches if you're careless.
And you know what? Honestly, germs don't care if you're careful or not. They multiply fast, they multiply quickly. And so hand hygiene, PPE, and cleaning protocols, they are all non-negotiable in my book.
Agreed. So on my end, here's a tip. Train your team regularly on HIPAA updates, including cybersecurity and especially including privacy. We have a whole generation of people that don't know what privacy is. And definitely make sure that you're not making it just a checkbox exercise.
That's right. I think taking it seriously and taking it personally and putting, a little bit of ethics into it goes a long way. It's the same thing with infection control, role playing, quizzes, and maybe even a snark, here and there. Keep it memorable. Like, don't be that person who wears gloves through the whole day like it's a fashion statement because ew.
Very ew. And together, these programs are going to protect patients and definitely the practice and the reputation that you've built in your practice.
And guess what? It's going to save you some seriously expensive fines from happening.
Now, joke time. Why did the dental practice get audited? Because they forgot their HIPAA.
Oh my gosh. Very Amy-ish. And why did the infection control officer bring a mop to the comedy show?
Like,
to clean up the mess that was made.
well, thanks for listening. Stay safe, stay compliant, and keep your humor sharp. Until next time.
Stay dirty.
Thank you for joining us. For more information, please go to www.copperpennyconsulting.com. Bye.